No,
forward.
we're going on.
Okay.
That's why.
Okay.
Ready. Just a minute, hang on. I'm going to back it off this way. Okay, leave that go. Okay, now on here, we wipe it with a cloth first of all.
Wait, what? The pipe?
This shaft,
Yep.
and then Emory cloth it. And you'll see it'll slide right up. Axle is broke loose, and this was seized, so we got half of the belly pan on.
Okay.
We're waiting for material.
What material?
Plate for the rest of the belly pan.
Okay.
These never get removed and greased, and then they seize on and they break the weld on the axle. So you have to cut it, do what we done to get it off. And this is not a field operation. Cement?
How long did it take you to cut this?
Not too long. We zip cut it. But you have to split it and lubricate it to get it off. Then you run a hone through and then put a pipe in so it's tight and re-weld.
Okay. So, this is some more Bombardier maintenance that you guys can expect if you buy a piece of crap machine. So, these guys have been busy all morning with this, amongst other jobs.
No, the other part of the morning is here. You look underneath. The pan is on halfway.
Okay, we're gonna crawl underneath there in the creeper.
Hole there for. Give you a coarse sandpaper.
So there's the drain hole for draining oil.
Or
This has been welded back on. That's been
put that in.
fitted. That was completely wide open before, so there just would have gotten lots of snow in there. So half the floor is in. The rest of the 1/8 gauge has to be ordered in. So
We're waiting for it.
some of you guys may be wondering, why is this in several different pieces? Well, it had to be bent into place, so that's why that was in several different pieces. So, raining outside. Dad's got another Bombardier out there, and we got another one on the pad. And this is the day. This is the morning. You can see here now, there's that plate is underneath the transmission, whereas before there was nothing.